Today, we kicked off with some energetic jumping jacks for our warm-up, moving swiftly into bodyweight exercises such as squats, push-ups, and planks. We really put that core to work with some intense planks and then got our hearts racing with a variety of cardio exercises. Finally, we wrapped up with a calming stretch to cool down those muscles. Remember, no matter your fitness level, these exercises can be adapted to suit your needs. It's all about making them work for you. In this session, we've learned that a good workout doesn't require fancy equipment or a gym membership. With just your body weight, some space, and a little motivation, you can get a great workout in the comfort of your own home. Above all, consistency is the secret ingredient to achieving your fitness goals. So keep up the good work, stay active, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, keep moving and stay active.